In this video, I will show you two very different but highly effective trading strategies with one of the most accurate indicators on TradingView. They show great results on lower time frames, so if you're a day trader who wants to make quick and consistent profits, these strategies are exactly for you. Traders, before we start, be sure to like this video and subscribe to TradingView. The channel is 2K away from hitting 100,000 subscribers. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. So the first strategy I want to show you is based on a contrarian style of trading. If you don't know what that is, it's basically when you go against the prevailing sentiment in the market. So you buy when everyone else is selling and you sell when everyone else is buying. This style of trading is quite risky, especially if you don't know what you're doing. But don't worry, the strategy I'm about to show you in this video has minimal risk and is almost never wrong when it comes to trade entries. As an example, we will use the Bitcoin price chart on a 5-minute time frame. The strategy includes two indicators. In order to add the first one, click on the Indicators tab and search for EMA. Pick this exponential moving average that you can see on the technicals. Open the settings and change the length to 200 as well as the color to grey. After testing hundreds of indicators, I found that EMA increases the win ratio of almost all of them. This is an essential trend filter that you need to have on a chart. We will use it for both of our strategies. The general rule says if the price is above the EMA, you're only going to be looking to buy. If the price is below it, you're only allowed to take short positions. For the second indicator, we will use the most popular premium tool created by LuxAlgo. It has over 15,000 saves, which tells us that it is quite legit. By the way, the video is not sponsored by LuxAlgo, nor do I have an affiliate link for their products. Okay, once you've added this indicator to the chart, access its settings and disable the exit signals. Then head over to the inputs and change the signal mode to contrarian plus exit. The bar colors will also change as a result. Lastly, uncheck the dashboard and enable the reversal zones. LuxAlgo Premium is all-in-one indicator made up of more than 20 plus features primarily focused on generating useful signals and overlays to fulfill any trader's technical analysis needs with relevant data. LuxAlgo mentioned that the ideal way to utilize this indicator is to explore through all of the features over time, pick and choose 2 to 3 that best suit your style of trading, and stick with those to create your own LuxAlgo trading strategy. In this video, we will do exactly that. So when exactly should we enter long and short trades? Well, here are the rules for a long position. Make sure you pay close attention to every single one of them. So, as we previously learned, we only allow to buy when the price is above the EMA. Rule number 2. The price needs to pull back either into the EMA or the green reversal zone. In this example, it respects the reversal zone. Third condition. A buy or a strong buy label must be printed below the price bar. At the time the signal is issued, the price must remain above the EMA. If it closes below the moving average, the signal is cancelled. And finally, to confirm the market's volatility, check the position of these reversal zones. Notice the fact that when volatility in the market is high, the reversal zones are usually far apart. On the other hand, when volatility is low, the bands are really close to each other. This indicates a sideways market, which you should avoid at all costs. Once you have all the rules in place, open a long position at the close of the price bar. The stop loss will be placed at the green reversal band. Target at least 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. You can even exit a long trade manually once you receive a sell or strong sell signal from the indicator. Okay, here's another example of a buy trade. Watch how the price respected the EMA. We see that all the conditions were met. The opposite is true for short trades. First, the price needs to pull back either into the EMA or the red reversal cloud. Second, a sell or strong sell signal must be printed above the price bar at the time the pullback happens. Finally, check the reversal zones and make sure you do not enter the trade when the bands are close to each other. Apply the same money management rules as for long trades. If you follow the rules I just showed you, you will be surprised how well this strategy works. Actually, it has not produced a single losing trade based on my testing on Bitcoin for the past month, which is truly unbelievable. So definitely give it a try. Alright, now let's move on to the strategy number 2. For this one, you will need to adjust the LuxAlgo indicator in the way I'm doing right now. So change the signal mode to confirmation plus exits and enable the Neo cloud. We will also need to add a volume indicator for the strategy. The best one I like to use is called a volume oscillator. Its settings will remain by default. Alright, the strategy is complete. As you probably noticed, the LuxAlgo indicator is being calculated in a different way. This style is suitable for those traders who like to go with the trend. If we take a look at some of these signals, we can see that not all of them have high accuracy, but don't worry, with the strategy I'm about to show you, we will eliminate the majority of these fake signals. So without further ado, let's break down the conditions for a long entry. Rule number 1, the price must be above the EMA and the Neo cloud. This is an ultimate confirmation of an uptrend. Rule number 2, the market must pull back into the Neo cloud without exceeding it to the downside. No red candlestick bars should be formed during such a pullback. This is very important. Third rule, a buy or strong buy signal must be issued. The signal must be confirmed with the volume oscillator, which must be greater than 0%. It is when the blue line is above the middle level. And lastly, the price bar should not be touching the upper reversal zone. This way we eliminate the risk of an immediate reversal in the price. Place the stop loss at the recent swing low and target at least 2 times the risk. To protect yourself even more, you can adjust the stop loss to the break-even level as soon as you make half the profit. The strategy is quite advanced but extremely accurate. Once you learn these rules, you will automatically see those opportunities in seconds. Okay, let's see one more long example. We see the price is above the EMA and the cloud. During the pullback, we did not have any red bars. We also did not have the price closed below the cloud, which is also very important. A strong buy signal was issued and it was confirmed by the volume. The last thing we do is we check whether the price is not overbought. As we can see, the price bar is not touching the red reversal zone. So we execute the trade and collect the profits. Now let's quickly test the strategy on the price of Bitcoin. As we can see, the signals are impressively accurate. Traders, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it as it really helps the channel grow faster. Also check out my other videos for more high win ratio strategies.